È sufficiente secondo te come
Contaminazione è
sì,
in abbondanza. Ne mettiamo di più, magari la pressione non è...
non ce n'è di secco dentro?
Magari se li vuoi prendere i loro inchiostri che sono da questa parte.
These are the inks that you have sent to us. As we see, we are making the worst possible scenario. Of course, we didn't make it dry because typically an anilox should be cleaned after it's already been washed by the washing machine, by the printing machine. You have to lock perfectly in order to avoid water to leak inside the anilox. As seen, we now have yellow and white. It's almost 12 o'clock. We will let them dry until 2:30 and then we'll come back and do the test.
Il generator.
This is the generator of the machine. The frequency, as you can see, is 35 kilohertz.
And you can set the power.
And you can set the power of the machine there. Increase or decrease it according to the different volume and lines of the anilox. I would like to show that the ink is dry. It's now 2 o'clock and the ink is dry. Both the white and the yellow. And the layers are much bigger than a standard layer of dirt you have on a normal anilox. Okay. Cleaning process, as you can see, has started, and it's already there. That is what's already going out. Now it's 2 and 10 minutes. We let it go for 15 minutes and we will come back. This is the situation after a couple of minutes, 2-3 minutes. Okay, it's almost 2:25. The cycle is over. Usually, now the machine is not connected. You would spray it with this hose, which is provided together with the machine, and it's just to remove any residual detergent. Anyway, now we will take it out. Usually you put it here and you spray it with the hose, as I said. Now we will just dry it to show the final result. It's no need to dry it with the air gun. It's just to show the result. And you see how it was. Okay, please consider that this is our standard anilox we use to do our tests. So they're treated very, very badly. And now we will move on with the yellow color. Now we will see how to remove the caps. Just unlock the knob and like that. You see the gasket and the maintenance of the gasket is extremely important to preserve, as you can see, rifallo, as you can see, no water leakage whatsoever. It's around 2:35 and we will start the yellow. Okay. As you can see, it's already starting to get clean after the first revolution. Only the big, thick strikes of yellow are still there, but we will see you later in around 15-20 minutes. The last three colors, we have tested them on the same anilox, and we have made it in stripes. And we will do it after we have finished with the yellow one, which, by the way, is already like this. Okay, it's 10 minutes to 3. We have also finished the yellow. And as you can hear, everything is perfect. We can see that even in this configuration, ink is already dried. It's 20 to 4 o'clock. We are starting the cycle. You see that the part that was already underwater starts already to be clean. The ratio is around 20% detergent and the other is water. It's 15 to 4. We will come back around 15 minutes when the cycle is over. Like before, this is the rainbow anilox we showed you before. We just finished the cycle. It's 4 o'clock. Cycle is finished. Of course, times vary from the condition of the anilox, how long you have been without cleaning it and stuff like that. But we will now send a report with all the data and parameters we use for this trial.